Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about using comparison symbols. And what I'm mainly talking about are these three symbols here. And let's talk about what they mean. You can see I've written them out. When you've got a symbol like this, where you've got kind of like an arrow pointing to the left, okay, and then the greater opening is facing the right, we're going to read that as less than. And we're basically reading the symbol from left to right. So here's a smaller point that's going to face the smaller number. The opening is going to face the larger number. And so if we have a number like 3, and we're comparing that to, say, 4, we know that 4 is the larger number. And if we go from left to right, the 3 is going to be less than 4. So less than 4. Notice the smaller point, or the point is facing the, or is in directing you to the smaller number. The larger opening is facing the larger number. Equal to represents a relationship between two values that are the same. So an example would be 5, and when you're comparing that to 5, those two numbers have the same value, okay? Another way to write that out, say you have 5 equals 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 has the same value as 5. We're just writing it in a different way. But when you look at what's on each side of the equal sign, or each side of this symbol, you're going to find the same value. 2 plus 3 is 5, and 5 equals 5. 5 is the same as 5. And this last one, this is called greater than, and notice that the opening is facing the larger number, the point is facing the smaller number. So for instance, we can have 6 and then compare that to 2, okay? So 6 is the larger number, so 6 is greater than a smaller number, which is 2. The opening faces the larger number, the point faces the smaller number.